Do you have a sweet tooth? You surely know someone who has a strong craving for something sweet at least once a day. After lunch, in the afternoon, before sleeping, or even in the middle of the night, don't you? Liking sweets is something normal, but what we are talking about here is a craving that can't wait, and that usually appears at the same hours or during the same situations. In these cases, the craving for sweets can be a health issue, like insulin resistance or lack of certain vitamins and minerals. Did you know that? Besides, the craving for sweets is usually directly related to low serotonin levels in the body. Do you know what serotonin is? It is a neurotransmitter molecule that causes a sensation of wellness and helps control the mood. When the serotonin levels are low, we feel anxious or stressed, and we have a sudden craving for sweets and carbs. When the serotonin levels are normal, we don't have much of a need for sweets. Besides that, this need for sweets and carbs may be related to the lack of vitamins B6, B9, B12, magnesium, zinc, and tryptophan. In this case, adjusting your diet will eliminate the craving. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Now, check this recipe of a smoothie that can help you naturally control your sweet tooth. But before the recipe, let's see why this smoothie helps you. Benefits of milk. Milk contains tryptophan, an amino acid that helps with serotonin production. It is also rich in B-complex vitamins. Benefits of banana. Banana, just like milk, is rich in tryptophan, which aids in serotonin production. The fruit gives energy and reduces appetite, increasing the sensation of well-being and giving satiety. Benefits of papaya. Papaya is a fruit rich in serotonin, a substance that gives the sensation of happiness. It is also rich in vitamin A, calcium, iron, phosphorus, potassium, and sodium. Benefits of oats. Oats have tryptophan, an amino acid that, after metabolized, is converted into serotonin. It increases wellness, improves the mood, and ensures a good night's sleep. Oat is also a source of B-complex vitamins, which help improve disposition and brain function, reducing fatigue. Write down the ingredients. 6.75 ounces milk, whichever you like, 1 banana, 1/2 papaya, 2 tablespoons oats. Directions: slice the banana and papaya into small pieces, put in a blender with the oats and milk, and blend until smooth. Drink right after. The best time to drink this smoothie is in the afternoon when most people feel the craving for something sweet. Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.